All right, let's add an image to your modern events calendar event that you've already created in less than 60 seconds. So first, have your picture ready to go. I created one that's 472 pixels by 324 pixels. First things you're going to do after that is log into your website, go to Modern Events Calendar, All Events. Find the event that you want to update and click on the title. That's going to open up our event.
Now scroll down the page, and on the right hand side we're looking for Set Featured Image. Click on that. Now you want to click Upload Files, find your file, and click Set Featured Image. Scroll up, click Update, and save all of your changes. Your event now shows your image, and you are all set. Let me know if you have any questions.
We now invite you to meditate in a position that's comfortable for you for 15 minutes. This can be longer or shorter. There are no hard and fast rules. After your meditation, try journaling about your experience. Was there anything in your meditation that made you curious? If you'd like to join us daily, we meet daily online between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. US Pacific Time. The link to join us can be found at reflectivemeditation.org/daily online. And if you'd like to support our work, please head to reflectivemeditation.org/daily online to offer a donation. Any dana would be gratefully received. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.